Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to earn free bitcoins. This method is 100% free. This method that I will be showing does not require any type of skills. You can start doing this right now very easily. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. App number 1 is Cointeply.com. This is a website that is going to give you free Bitcoin for doing many simple tasks. They already paid out $1.2 million to its users. Scroll down below and you can see here the companies that are partnering with this website. How does it work? The first step that you are going to do is sign up for a free account. And then you can play the multiplier, where you can multiply your coins up to 61 times. Complete tasks to level up and earn reward points. And complete quick offers to earn even more Bitcoin each day. Do surveys with this. You can complete surveys every day to earn thousands of coins. And also watch videos here. You can watch videos and earn coins. Scroll down below and you can read here the features properly. This website also has an Android application that you can download on your mobile devices. They also have a good rating on their mobile applications. This is a very good website to earn free bitcoins. App number 2 is Surveytime.io. This is a website that will pay you for doing simple and easy surveys. You can get $1 for every survey that you complete. How does this website work? Simply complete simple surveys, and for every survey, you can get $1. You can do as many surveys as you want. For more detail about this website, click on the play button and watch the video. This website has over 4 stars on the rating. This means that this website is legit. Create a free account on this website, just put email and sign up. And you can also sign up using your social media account. App number 3 is Coinbase.com. On this website, you can buy and sell bitcoins. You can see the dashboard here. Just scroll down and you can see here that they are supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Click on this earn button right here and it will take you to this page. On this page, there are many options that you can select in order to earn free bitcoins. Simply learn the crypto and then earn some crypto. Simply click on the start course button to get started. And then once you are finished this course, then you are going to earn this amount of crypto that is showing on this page. And now if you want to earn even more money, please check the first link on the details given below to learn how to earn free bitcoins using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners 2021 this year. Whoever without can experience the past. Yes, it is possible, and I will show you exactly how to get there in that video. Check this out. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.